grade 11 STEM. Her hobby is singing and dancing, watching.
She's Chanel A. Dizon. She's from grade 9 St. Luke. Her hobbies are dancing, singing, acting, and modeling.
We call Ma'am.
Kasi po pinagtapo ko ng session.
Ang nakuha nila ay ma'am. And then their answer is pinagtagpo daw ma'am. So soulmate pala, no? Soulmate yung peg. Next, volunteer please. O yan.
Siya po si Sheikh Nayo Rivera. Artist na po si Pastor po. 17 years old. Siya po si Joey Jen Sangulo.